everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your coding and decoding. Let's see the question first. Yes, in a certain code language, good and tasty is written as 134, see good pictures 478, pictures are faint 729 is written in that code language 729. Which of the following digits stands for C? See what we can do. If C means where is this word of C here? C is available in the second sentence. So corresponding code is 4. No, that is not your right answer. So good. First of all, you need to calculate the good and pictures. So where is the word good is common in 1 and 2? From 2 sentence, the good is common. The word of good is common. So what is the common number for this 2 sentence here? So 4. Therefore, 4 stands for good. After that, pictures. Here pictures are available. On third sentence, picture is available. So common number for picture from second and third sentence is picture 7. So now the corresponding second sentence, 4 cancel, 7 cancel, remaining 8 is your C. The code for word of C is 8. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Now, which of the following digits stands for and? And word is occurring in your second, that is first sentence. So first of all, we need to calculate the code for good and tasty. Where is good is available here? From the both the sentence, good is available here. So first sentence, second sentence, good and tasty 1, 3, 4. And C, good, picture written as 4, 7, 4. So here common word is good. The good will be noted as 4, 7, 8, 4. The remaining and tasty. So the remaining number 1, 3. But where there are any numbers available for and tasty? No, only one sentence having and tasty. So according to this question, and tasty. The remaining number is 1, 3. We should not consider 1 for and 3 for tasty. It is wrong. So, and code is 1 or 3. Similarly, the tasty code is 1 or 3. We can't able to say the definite answer. Either 1 or 3 is the code for and. So, your option C is the correct. We'll move on to your next question. In a certain code language, spread red carpet stands for 2, 4, 7. Spread red carpet 2, 4, 7. After that, dust 1 carpet 3, 5, 2. After that, 1 red carpet 4, 2, 3. Now, so what is the code for dust? Dust is available in the second sentence. Now 1 carpet. 1 is available in the second sentence and third sentence. What is the common number in second sentence and third sentence? 3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 3. There are 2 numbers common in 1. So after that, carpet. What is the common word for carpet? So carpet is available in 3 sentences. So carpet here, carpet here, carpet here. What is the common number in both 3 sentences? So common number in the 3 sentences here 2, 4, 4, no. Then 2, 2, 2. Yes, 2 is the common sentence of carpet. So after that 2 will be going for carpet and 1 will be going for 3. Here 1, 1. 1 is going for 3. So code for 1 is 3 and carpet is 2. And what is your question? Dust. So the remaining value 5 will be available. So the remaining 5 will be allocated for dust word. That is 5 is your answer. Option C is the correct answer. So depends upon the question. First we need to find out the common numbers. So afterwards we can deselect that. The remaining respective numbers will be the remaining your word that will be available for your question. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. What is the code of the word yellow? Look at your question. Is there any yellow is available? Is the word any yellow in available in your any sentence? Spread test one red carpet. No, new word is available here. Don't choose none of these. Okay, yellow, the new word. Now we want to allocate new code for this word. Okay, what is the new code for? While apart from these numbers, we having the new number. So what are the numbers are available here? 2, 4, 7, and again 3, 5. After that 4, 2, 3 will be repeated. 2, 4, 7, 3, 5. So according to your options, the 9 will be your new number. So yellow, the code for yellow is 9. Don't take that as none of these. This is the yellow is the new word. We can allocate the new code for this. That's all. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Yes. Yeah, this is your next question. In a certain code language, which of the following represents is in that language? So as usual, what are the sentence having the word is only one sentence. So water and life. Water is available in what are the sentence? How many sentences? The first sentence having the word of water and the second sentence water. So both the common sentence having the what the common code here? Pit na sam na jevo tat. Yes, na. Na is the word for water. After that, first of all, we want to find out the code for water and life. What is the life? Yes, life code is available JOTOD. The life word is available in the fourth sentence. So corresponding fourth sentence we having JO ling KOT. What is the common code? JO. So according to the life, JO is the code. So JO will be cancelled and NA will be cancelled. The remaining TOT. TOT is the answer option. So here not TOD available. So answer is none of these. Okay. We'll move on to your next question. Yes. Which of the following represents bring in that language? So bring, where is the word bring is available? Yes, here is available. After that me, water. First of all, we want to find out the me, code for me. So me is available here and me is available here. Corresponding sentence NASOM, PIT. PIT is the common for me. Okay, now water. Water is available here and water is available here. What is the common word for PIT cancelled, that is available for me? NA. Yes, water is denoted by NA. The remaining one word is there, bring. The remaining one code is there, SOM. SOM for bring. So your answer is option A. We'll move on to your next question. In a certain code language, facing problems with health is coded as ka, la, ha, ga. Health problems on rise, ha, mo, la, ta. Rise with every challenge, zi, ta, ga, ni. Facing challenge each day, ki, ka, zi, pa. So what could be the code for TA? Ta. Okay. What could be the code for TA? So where is the TA available here? TA is available in this sentence, and after that, is there any other sentence? Yes, second sentence. Second and third sentence having the code of TA. So corresponding second and third, what are the word is common here? Health problems on rise. Rise with every challenge. The only one word is common. So rise is the answer. So TA determine rise. Answer B is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Yes, now they asking ta, na, z could be code for which of the following? So we want to calculate Ta, Na, Zi. Where is the Ta is available here? Yes, here Ta and here Ta available. Already we found Ta stands for rice. After that, Na. What are the code available? The first sentence, no having Na, no. The second sentence, no. The third sentence, no. Na. Ne only available here. Na is the new code. We will keep on here. Zi. What are the code? What are the sentence having this Zi? Yes, here and here. So look at your corresponding sentence. Rise with every challenge, facing challenge each day. Challenge, challenge. Is there any other common word? No. So Zi stands for challenge. Okay. Now. Sorry. Okay. Now. So Ta stands for rise. Zi stands for challenge. So Na stands for, this is the new code now. So check with your options. Rise challenge. So rise challenge is available. Rise challenge, rise challenge, rise challenge, rise challenge, rise challenge. So every option is having the word of rise challenge only. So Na is the new code. So apart from this word, there is a new word is available, means we can take that. So health is available here. And above challenge, is there any new word? Is there any word of above is available? No. And day, yes, day is available here. And every also, the word of every is also available here. Rise with challenge, is there with also available. So what is the new word is used there? Above. So the new word, there is a new code for Na stands for above. Okay, so according to this question, rise challenge above. This is your answer. Rise above challenge. Okay, we'll move on to our next question. Yes. So what could be the code for food? So what are the word? Yeah. What are the sentence? First sentence and fourth sentence having the word good. So sorry, food. I'm so sorry, food. So first and the fourth sentence having the word food. So corresponding code. What are the corresponding code? Ka, ha, ga, ma. Then ha, da, na, ga. So what are the common codes available here? Ha. After that, ga. So what we can take here? Food. Food is either ha or ga. So we want to confirm which data is exact data. So is and is also available. So is. So there are two words is common here. So according to, is there any is available here? Any word of is available? Is there any there? No, we don't know that. So for is also having the code ha or ga. So according to this question, food, the word of food have HA or GA. So what are the data available here? Yes, GA available here. ஒரே நிமிஷம். தப்பா சொல்லிட்டனே மன்னிக்கவும். கட் பண்ணிடுங்க. இந்த கொஷினை மறுபடியும் சொல்கிறேன். ஓகேங்களா? தண்ணி குடிச்சுக்கிறேன். Okay. And your next question is, what could be the code for food? So, in the word food available in, what are the sentence? Sorry. The word food is available in how many sentence? First sentence, and second sentence also having the word food, and fourth sentence also having the word food. So what is a corresponding common code? Observe your first sentence, GA and GA, and here no GA is available. So according to the fourth sentence having the GA. So common word food having the common code GA, GA, GA. So food is determined with GA. Your answer is option A. Directly you can take. Is there no any other common word is available here? Okay, now your next question is, which of the following is coded as MATA in the given language? So MA and TA. Where is TA is available here? Here TA and here TA. So according to this TA, which word is common here? Food. Already we know that. What is the code for food? GA. Yes. After that, here is and eat tasty daily is for eat. So is there? Yes, eat is common word. So according to DA, the word is eat. Now MA. Where is the MA code is available here? The first sentence and the third sentence. Your corresponding first sentence is food is good for health. Food is good for health. After that, the third one is keep good health daily. Keep good health daily. Good health. So, two words are here common. Good and health. So, the two words is available for the code of MA. We are not able to confirm whether the good or health. We can eat good eat, otherwise health eat. We have two options available here. According to your eat good, health eat. So both are correct. So if the option is either B or C, means we can able to say this is the correct answer. So we can't able to determine this question. According to this question, we can't able to determine the code for the word of MA. So MA stands for either good or health. We'll move on to the option cannot be determined, because there is no confirmation available is here. Okay. Yeah, this is the example of how we can get the given code for the certain language. Thank you for watching.